This is your feed and stock report for Wednesday, January 14th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In central and northern Alberta on Tuesday, steers 900 plus, 477 to 491, 8 to 900, 498 to 517, 7 to 800, 525 to 535, 6 to 700, 577 to 635, 5 to 600, 646 to 701, 4 to 500, 721 to 854. Heifers 900 plus, 417 to 423, 8 to 900, 454 to 465, 7 to 800, 467 to 506, 6 to 700, 505 to 547, 5 to 600, 585 to 643, 4 to 500, 675 to 690, 3 to 400, 715 to 730. On a light test of the market yesterday in central Alberta, younger to middle-aged bred cows for April calving traded from $4,100 per head to $4,400 per head. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Tuesday saw no new trade report, but there's a good chance scatter trade will develop by this afternoon. From their highs in November, Western Canadian steer carcass weights have declined 47 pounds. Fed cattle prices historically strengthen over the next 30 to 60 days. If fed prices are going to advance, larger slaughter rates will be needed. Looking at the butcher cow market, one major packer is still off the cow market. They have been off the market for the past couple months. If this continues, more cows will end up being marketed south. In the cow trade in central Alberta Tuesday, D1 to 2 cows 212 to 225, D3 cows 193 to 210. Bulls in central Alberta yesterday brought 225 to 231. In the U.S., other than light trade in Kansas at steady money, business has been quiet in all of the feeding states. Asking prices are starting out in the upper 230s on a live basis. Since early January, beef cutout values have rallied $10 per hundredweight. Select beef production remains historically small, and as a result, the choice select price spread has narrowed considerably. Last week, select cutout values were trading at a premium over choice, which is uncommon. The last time this happened was back in 2022 and only lasted for a day or two. National Bona cows averaged $298.86 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 72.22, up 2 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, in trade, live cattle futures are as follows: February 235.77, down 147. April 237.85, down 112. June 232.47, down 92. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.